My name is Joshua Hoppert. I work at Norman Noble. I am a milling programmer. I've been working with the company for going on 8 years now. I personally try to continuously improve myself in my role by staying involved and helping with whatever I can. When someone comes to me for help, or even if a new project comes through, I try to use it as an opportunity to learn and expand my knowledge. I believe that in order to be successful, you need to be on the floor seeing what's actually happening in order to improve it. My programs and my processes are only successful because of my hands-on approach and my willingness to listen. I feel like doing this has also helped me gain the respect of my fellow employees, even though I'm one of the younger ones here. Norman Noble exemplifies continuous improvement. We always try to acquire a new technology in order to stay current and competitive. The company also believes in the principles of lean manufacturing, and most importantly, continuously growing our internal training programs for new and seasoned employees.